Forgotten username recovery failed on Credit Karma app fix. If you've forgotten your Credit Karma username, most people get it wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping verification steps. You won't believe how simple it is to regain access when you follow the correct process. Step 1. Open the Credit Karma app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. Credit Karma will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can get filtered automatically, so make sure to look carefully. Avoid sending multiple requests in quick succession, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, or recent account activity. Contact Credit Karma support directly with this information to quickly regain access. Step 4. After recovering your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds extra security, ensuring your financial data remains protected. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Credit Karma account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your account and financial information safe.